In this video, I will show you how to fix a controller settings on your ROG AA and your Ally X. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to press the Xbox button on your handheld, navigate to the settings icon at the top of the screen, and scroll down until you find Bluetooth. Here, you need to check if your Bluetooth controller is listed and connected. If you don't see your controller, select Manage Devices. This will take you to the Bluetooth device page. And from here, choose Add New Device and select Bluetooth. Then put your controller into pairing mode and connect it. If you do see your controller listed but it's not working, remove the controller first. After removing it, pair the controller again and reconnect it. If your controller is connected but not responding in games, press the Command Center button on your handheld. Look for controller mode and make sure it's set to gamepad or auto. Auto mode allows the system to automatically detect and switch to an external controller when one is connected. Once everything is set, launch a game and test your controller to make sure it's working properly. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.